In this video we are going to make the knuckle joint. The knuckle joint is here. Let me show it. This is the knuckle joint assembly. It is the knuckle joint part 1 2 3 4. So first of all we will make this part, and then this one, then this one, and this one, this taper part. So without much delay I would like to start my video. So I'll choose this JetX plane, go to sketch. Before make any video I would like to say and think, try to do the design in very simple way, without any difficulty, and don't do it this part directly, and first of all you sketch this part, all part, and then you will going to pad, you are directly going to pad, so it will give you some errors. So first of all you have to think about how to design it, and then by one you have to modify it. So now how to do it I will show you guys. So I already here in the JetX plane, and go to select JIT circle of dia 60. Here it already is given, it is dia of 60 here given, then it is 33 square of square. Now go to exit. First of all pad it, and no pad it of 18 in both mirror action, means it is of 36. Okay, and select this plane and go to sketch, and in this way you have to made it in this way. If you do not get, now let me do it. If you click this one it will give this way, so I don't want in this way. So again go to exit workbench and select this one, and then it will give in this way. So now you have to select this centers are rectangular. Okay, some of these small things will cause a very big trouble, so you know guys. So I am telling you this, if you don't get in this way, in this rectangular form, then you have to choose another plane, then after planing right plane, then you will get it. Choosing right plane. Okay, double click it, give the dimension of 33. Okay, give the 33. Okay, no problem. Go to exit, and just from center to its distance is 120. So I will choose this pad command, and I will give 120. No problem guys. So zoom to fit, just click here and go to sketch and zoom to fit. Again go to this and this circle of radius of dia 30, it is given in the diagram, you can see it. Now go to exit workbench, just pad it of 20 mm length. Okay, now come to the measure and hard part. Let's come to the hard part. So now we have to make this one, this slot, this slot or groups, what we can say, this contour. Oh, best word is contour, this contour. So to make this contour, first of all go to this and select this one, and sketch. Now you have to make this circle, and this not circle, the triangle of dia 7 8 9 10. 8 I will make 8. This one is 8, this one is 8. Okay, what the fuck, this one is 8, this one is 8. What is happening here? Okay, this one is 8, Control Z, this one is 8, this one is 10, okay, no problem. In this way it is giving me some, so I will make this way. I will click this one and this one and this one. This is 60 and I will click this one and this one as a 60. Okay, now I will give this is as a 8. Okay, no problem guys. So now I have to coincide this one by this and by now. Okay, it creating me some trouble. So now I have to do it by from here. Just click here, here, here and here. Now you have to coincide it by this one. Okay, now you have to coincide this one by this one. Coincidence. Okay, this in by this in coincidence. Okay, after coinciding, give the dimension of 8 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm to this end, and now give this end and this end of 60 and this end and this end of okay, it is selecting all the select this dimension command and just zoom it, just this in and this in of 60. What is happening here? This in and this in of give 60. Okay, I already given it 8. I will not give it 8, so now I will give it 60. I'll delete it. Now I will give this and this in 60 and select the this in 60. Okay, this is not 60, so I will give the dimension. The best way is giving dimension. Now I am giving this as a 10. Okay, this as a 10. Control Z. Hit, and I will give this one 8. Okay, it is 90 degrees, so it is making the right angle triangle. I will make this one 8, this one 8, and okay, I have to give, delete it, Control Z. Control Z. Now I have to give this one 8 and this one 8. Okay, now exit workbench. Now go to pocket. In pocket, what is the distance here? It is given here is 45, so give 45. Okay, and just choose it and use this circular pattern. Instances U14. Choose this angular spacing of, just go to and choose complete crown, and complete crown definition reference, select this one and say okay, preview. Now it will show you this one, so this is okay. Now this is the required. Now this is here, this is an fillet made already fillet, so you have to make fillet. Just choose this one and go to fillet, use fillet command of how much is this, is there in a fillet is given or not? So it is not given, so we can give it fillet of radius 5 mm. Wow, what? Okay, I will give it 10 mm. Okay, I had one there and I am selecting 10 mm. It is not giving me, so I will select 8 mm. Okay, it is also not giving me, so I will go and choose 5 mm. Okay, no problem. So now it is 5 mm width. So now select this one and okay, I'm not going using. So now we have to select this one and go to fillet and okay. Now you have to go this one part, say okay. Now select this one and say OK. So now we come to the final step, that is this one. Go to the pocket. Okay, is this at the mid? Okay, it is already set at the mid, so no need to position. So what is the, this is 30 mm dia. Now I will give diameter of 30, depth of blind nut up to next, so I will click it. So this is our part, required part. Now and do you know that one thing is missing here? What is this? I'm giving you 2 seconds. What is this? That part is this. We have to make this fillet part here. This is showing here, so we have to make this fillet also. So now use this fillet. Not 5 mm, I would give it 20 radius. Now it looks perfect. No, I will give 30. Okay, okay, now it is good. So for this part also, for this part I am also giving the fillet. Tangency, okay, no problem. Now this is your required part. Okay, so here is this match or not? Okay, no problem. Now I'm going to save it. File, save, kn okay, KNUCKL knuckle joint part 1 hook. I will name it hook. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.